Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, going over my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the market. I'm going to go over the SPX today. Typically, I go over the SPY every single day on exactly how I plan on playing into it. As you guys can see, we have on the SPX a large momentum candle yesterday after 𝐒𝐿 mentioned that the Federal Reserve officials are barreling towards another interest rate hike of 75 point basis, but however, mentioning they are indecisive of whether they are going to signal a smaller hike in December, giving us a possible Fed pivot here. So again, the market very much on watch to see if we do confirm with that news, if we do continue on with strength. Again, we have two scenarios. We have been looking for confirmation above our channel here to see if we can continue on higher with proof of concept, or if we do continue on down to our fifth wave here. Again, this would be our fifth Elliott wave, looking to see if we do get a reversal or a bounce from there. Again, looking for these two possible scenarios is exactly what we have been going over. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Now, before I jump into this, you guys can do me a huge favor, smash that like button if you find this video useful at all. Hit subscribe if you want to see my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the market every single day. We go over candle structure, overall strength levels, and any key indicators that we need to be focused on. And again, if you are a day trader or you are looking for very volatile breakouts that we mention every single day in the Instables, and again, we mention any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the SPX with you guys on the dollar, again, we do have an engulfing candle here. Again, a momentum candle to the upside as we are getting an increase in buy pressure here on our MACD. Again, getting that increase in buy pressure from that prior spike that we had. Again, we had a prior spike. We got that increase in strength at this point in time from that spike that we had. So now our question is, will we continue on with that strength from here, as we do have one white shitty line that did come in? We confirmed that we are continuing on with pressure, as again, we had 𝐒𝐿 mentioning that we do have a possible Fed pivot. So again, we do have our EMA lines crossing up. We are looking to see if we continue to cross up and continue on higher. We are holding above our 20 here, looking to see if we continue to respect our 20 as we are curling up here with our 20. So again, looking to see if our 20 does start to continue to curl up here. If we get to cross back above our 50 as we are building candles out above our 20 and respecting it, is going to be that stronger move. So again, looking for more confirmation. Again, we do like that retest that we have here. We do like our engulfing candles showing us that we are respecting our 20, showing us that we are also respecting levels above our channel here, showing us that we do have a possible chance of a possible Fed pivot here. Again, looking at our strength, again, we have our EMA lines crossing up. What we need to happen here is our EMA lines to cross above the median of our MACD. If this does happen, then it is game over. We will continue on higher. We had the largest rally of the year when we did cross above the median of our MACD with our EMA lines. That's exactly what we're looking for here to continue on with this strength. We do like our increase in buy pressure. However, as you guys can see prior, we did increase in buy pressure. We had a slight decrease, and then we did increase in buy pressure. We had a slight decrease as well. So we are on a continuation with increases in buy pressure. If we do have a cool down, we will be looking for, again, that proof of concept from there, looking to see if we can continue to respect our 20. Now, looking at our relative strength, if we do have room to run to the upside, as you guys can see, we are jumping above the median of our side. This does show us that we now have some type of argument for a possible move to the upside, jumping into overbought territory from here. So again, we do love that we jumped above the median of our side. We have been looking to see if we can, as you guys can see, multiple rejections, not jumping above the median of our side, finally jumping above the median of our side. The only thing that I do not like about this is that 𝐒𝐿 has now created a situation that we are now anticipating a possible Fed pivot, and if that anticipation does fail, we know exactly what will happen. We had that happen a couple times. Again, leading into jobs reports, we did have this spike. We had a pullback as we did have that anticipation, however, did pull back from that anticipation and gapped down. As you guys can see prior, we anticipated CPI as well. We gapped down. We took out everything that we did have on that anticipation. So again, just making sure we are careful, because if we do get any confirmation that we are not getting a Fed pivot from the Feds for any given reason, maybe even leading into the next couple weeks into Fed rate hikes, we have a possible pullback, and then the Feds maybe finally do have a Fed pivot after we have our fifth wave. So again, looking for these possibilities and making sure we are staying open-minded is extremely key here, as we are looking for proof of concept to see if we can continue on higher or if we are going to come down to our fifth wave here. Now, looking at our dollar here, again, the dollar has been our strength against the market. So again, when we get weakness here on the dollar, then we get strength in the market. As you guys can see, we do have a strong pullback after we had a large engulfing candle on the S&P today. So again, getting a large pullback, now closing back below our 20 after we did just close below our 20. So again, now looking to see if our 20-day does start to curl down, crosses below our 50, and we do get that confirmation, again, dropping below our 20 and breaking down. Again, that would be strength in the market. So again, looking for that confirmation from here is exactly what we're looking for. Now looking at the VIX, again, this is our volatility against the market. As you guys can see, we are dropping below our 20. We are looking to see if we do continue on below our 50, if we do continue on with volatility in the market and we do bounce back above our 20 from here. So again, looking to see if we do jump back over our 20 from here, or if we do drop down below our 50 from here on that bearish move, as we would possibly follow the dollar if we did continue on lower in the dollar. So again, making sure we are keeping an eye on the VIX. We do not want any bullish move out of the VIX for any given reason, because that could mean that pullback in the market. And so again, just watching the dollar and the VIX, extremely key as we are watching the S&P. So again, to recap on the SPX, what we do not want to happen is to have a body of our candle dropping below our channel here. If that does happen, then we will be looking for wave 5. However, if we do continue on higher, we are looking for that proof of concept above our 20-day. We want to see clean candles holding above our 20-day. We do not want to see candles like we have for the last couple days that have been jumping into our 20-day. So again, looking to see if now we do get candles that are respecting our 20-day and holding above it and not closing below our 20. We want to see candles that are holding above our 20 and looking for that clean breakout from here above our 50. That is the bullish move that we're looking for. But if we do not get that bullish move, again, making sure we are careful and looking for that wave 5 if we continue on lower. So again, looking for what the Feds have to say if they do listen to anything over the weekend. I'm going to go over an update with you guys on the SPY going into tomorrow as usual. Definitely check out that video. Again, keep an eye on these videos if you guys are looking for these updates on exactly what the Feds are mentioning, any of these comments that are being mentioned throughout the weeks. We mentioned them in the Instables room. Now again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for very volatile breakouts, we mention them every single day in the Instables room. Go to instables.com in the description below and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instables that come over every single day and support the channel, hope you guys are having a blessed weekend. We're going to continue to go at it and take what the market gives us. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.